outdoor cooking at its finest with some locally grass-fed beef from right here in Florida. Welcome everybody to Thousand Trails, Wildwood, Florida. I'm so used to saying Orlando because that is my home kind of campground. That's where I purchased Thousand Trails and everything else. But my actual home is about 1 mile. Cousin Eddie is parked about 1 mile from here usually when I'm out at work. And I've never stayed here at home, even though this is not my home resort. It is where I reside, and I'm enjoying my time. It's been, what a great little resort. More rustic than the Orlando resort, definitely. But it is like 180 degrees out here right now. The swimming pool is right over there, and I figured before I go hop in the pool and stuff like that, might as well prep some dinner for tonight. And tonight's feast, if you will, is going to be taco salad. So that's what I'm prepping right now and getting everything ready. Once it's done, I'm going to go swim and come back and enjoy some adult beverages and a good helping, heaping, happiness. That's what I'm going to be doing. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut into this real fast, and I'll show you my secret with a few twists on my taco salad. Let's dig in. So like I said, I prefer grass-fed beef. Good stuff here. I enjoy it very much. Today I'm going to be cooking outside on a Coleman. Not inside, but outside on a little Coleman. Seasoning of choice today, this is all I can get. So this McCormick original, yeah, not the best, but it's going to do. Like I said, it's probably 180 degrees outside today. I probably don't even need to turn this grill on to get that hamburger cooking. It's sizzling. So I got it kind of chopped up a little bit. Grass-fed is a little bit different than regular. There's not as fatty, and it's more stuck together than your average cheap hamburger meat. This is some good high quality stuff here. Okay, the fixins I normally do, some are different than this time. I went ahead and am sticking with the ranch dressing this time. Normally I just use about 4 large wooden spoons of mayonnaise with a couple squirts of ketchup, stir it all up with salt and pepper, and that makes everything pretty smooth. All the chips and everything fairly smooth and not so crunchy. Okay, as the dogs are barking in the background, let me show you some of this. Now, this is Publix brand cheese, which, okay, that's not the most fanciest, but it is fancy shredded sharp. I love my sharp cheddar as the dogs are barking in the background. And okay, now that I shot down the person behind me who's interrupting constantly, I'm kidding. Let's show her. Steph's stuck in a truck. Hi. Oh, hold on, there you go. All right, so she says Sharp is the best, and I have to agree. Sharp is the best. Good source of calcium and protein, made from milk from cows not treated with the growth hormone RBST. I have no idea what that is. But, yeah, okay. Got that. Didn't want to get a head of lettuce because we're limited on space due to living conditions. Right, Cat? So going totally bagged this time. Didn't want to waste a whole onion, so I just got some of this already chopped onion and already some of these diced tomatoes, so I don't have to waste a tomato neither. I like to put kidney beans in mine, so I got a can of kidney beans and a tiny can of garbanzo beans, because you have to have garbanzo beans. And pièce de résistance, what's the word? Pièce de résistance. Some Doritos, nacho cheese. Yum. Can't go wrong with that. So let's go back out and check on the beef. Back out to my little grill on the table and do a little bit more stirring. Make sure this is finely cooked and tuned to perfection. Not using a cast iron skillet today. I went ahead and bought a new little one because we're only doing about 1.5 pounds of hamburger. Don't need to break out a iron skillet that you can cook a roast in or a stew. That's just too big. Too big. Yum. Once all this is done, going to be putting that seasoning in there, and then I'm going to go in and start prepping everything else. The puppies are not impressed with my cooking skills. I think they want to go back in. And while the chef is out there cooking, the sous chef was in here making sushi.
I was making it.
Well, you were eating it. You were eating sushi. So this is salmon and one is tuna. Oh, no chopsticks.
No choppies.
And this is real soy sauce, not that cheap generic stuff.
That's right.
Oh yeah. Oh God. Rice. Only good. Okay, due to limited space, we're only going to make so much and then put the rest in the refrigerator. We're only going to try and make what we can eat for now and see how that goes. Not sure if it's going to work or not, but I like to start with some crunchiness on the bottom here with the Doritos. So in the bottom of the bowl, we went ahead and crushed up, not all the way, we like them big chunks still, but just to make some more room for the salad or the lettuce. It's just, we're limited on space. Okay, Doritos are in the bowl. How's this hamburger coming? I hate leaving stuff out here to simmer by itself. It's looking pretty tasty. A little bit of rawness still, not much. Not much. Cook hamburger. Cook. Since there was limited amount of hamburger, only did like a pound. I didn't use the whole package, but it is in there now. I'm gonna let that simmer for a little bit while I get the rest of the meal ready. Okay, next step is let's toss some salad in here on top of these chips. Yum, yum. That should be good for now. You know what? No, let's go for it. A little more, because this is always good as outdoors. So that should be enough there. We got that set up as that hamburger is cooking away. Let's gotta have some onions. Okay, so how many onions we're gonna use? You know what? Let's use a lot. Gotta have a lot. Gotta have some onions in there. Put the lid back on that. Gotta have onions. I don't know if I can get the lid on this properly at the moment, because I'm rushing out there. I don't want that hamburger to really go too crazy. So next is the tomatoes. Yeah, so much easier this way, rather than just dicing it. So let's, gotta have them tomatoes. Lots and lots of tomatoes. Ooh. Okay, next up, let's open some garbanzo beans. Now, these have juice in them, so I am going to be right back as I go ahead and drain this juice. Okay, beans are drained. Let's dump a couple in here. Yum. Can't go wrong with beans. And some garbanzo beans. Gotta toss those in there. Always so good. Might as well dump all of them in. It's a small can. Cat is getting excited, aren't you? Okay, I'm thinking that the hamburger should be about done. I could probably kick this thing off because it is sizzling really good and it's ready to dump in. So we'll let that all cook down a little bit. Let that water that I've mixed in there to slow down, get absorbed. And let's go toss the cheese and other stuff in. Putting this on hot should melt all that cheddar. That's my thought process. So far it's looking pretty appetizing, and I am going to not skimp on the cheese. I am not going to, maybe a little bit of it, because we still have to get the hamburger in there and toss this thing. So at the moment, that's what we're working with and what we're looking at. We're going to go ahead and, ooh, yeah, let's soak that in there nice and good. That's what we're going to get tossed once we go get the hamburger. Now comes the tricky part where you don't want to make a mess, because this stuff, tossing salad is not that easy. I know there's going to be some comments in there saying, oh, Rick, I toss salad all the time. But I'm telling you, I'm not used to tossing salad. It's not something I do on a regular basis. And I know that tossing salad can be extremely messy if done the wrong way. And I don't know. It always scares me. I'm always nervous when I toss salad. I've done it once or twice, but oh God, it's definitely looking delicious. If tossing salad looked this delicious all the time, I'd probably do it a lot more often. Okay, it's getting tossed. I'm tossing it. You just can't fling it. I got a very small bowl. Oh, but it's looking fantastic. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to get all those chips in there. Now, a lot of people put black olives, stuff like that. I'm not a fan of black olives, so they don't go on mine. I did forget to pick up avocado. Avocados are great in this, but I was rushed through the store at an extremely fast pace. I really wasn't. But yeah, so I'm not good at shopping. But anyway, that's it. Garbanzo beans, kidney beans, Doritos, hamburger. Honestly, I don't know how ranch is going to be in here. Prefer ketchup and mayonnaise, but also an avocado. An avocado would be good in here. There's one thing missing. What can it be? Oh, that's right. Some Reverend Tommy two-tone hot sauce. Ooh, yeah. You can't have tacos without Reverend Tommy's hot sauce. Be the moon. And that's about it. Dinner is served. Yes, taco salad made easy, nomadic style. Nomadic taco salad. That's the new name, Steph, from Stick on a Truck. It's nomadic taco salad.
Fair enough.
That's some high quality content right there. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. I will see you on the next one. Hopefully from a theme park or something like that. Or possibly from a swimming pool. Don't know. It'll be from somewhere. Until then, though, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody.